Today we got something cool. We got two Camrys comparing a $100 exhaust to a $1,500 exhaust. On this side, we got a $100 budget-friendly muffler delete. It's going to give your car a little bit more aggression and a little bit louder. On this side, we got the high-end $1,500 Magnaflow system. This promises to deliver more performance, better acceleration, and even better torque. So the Magnaflow system comes with a 2.5-inch full stainless steel butterfly Y with the performance resonators out the back and dual 4.5-inch stainless steel tips. So this is the $100 muffler delete. Pretty straightforward job, just removing the muffler, popping a straight pipe on there, and adding a tip if the customer wants. With the Magnaflow system, you're not just getting a sound upgrade, you're getting a full performance exhaust that's designed to maximize the performance of the car. But is it worth the price upgrade? The Magnaflow system sounds very clean inside, has minimal drone, but when you do get on it, it does have a nice, clean, aggressive tone. But is it worth the price tag? So the Magnaflow system is super clean, not too aggressive. It's a perfect mix between performance and refinement. So it's not super aggressive, but when you get on it, it really opens up. Driving the car around, I definitely felt the performance upgrade. It runs better, it's definitely a little bit smoother on the driving side, and it looks pretty sweet out the back. It's got the dual 4-inch tips, full stainless steel, but again, is it worth the price tag, guys? This is the muffler delete. As you guys can hear, a little bit more drone inside the cab than the Magnaflow system, but it's only $100. The other option is $1,500. It's kind of crazy that when you have that kind of price gap, is it worth it for you guys? A $100 muffler delete gets you a nice clean sound, super aggressive though compared to the Magnaflow system, but the other alternative is $1,500. Again, is it worth it to you guys? So that's the video, guys. We're comparing a $100 exhaust over a $1,500 exhaust. As you can hear, the $100 exhaust is a lot more aggressive, not really as refined as a $1,500 exhaust, but if you're trying to maximize performance, get more sound quality, the $1,500 option is definitely my best bet for you guys. So tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. Reach out to us on Instagram, reach out to us on YouTube in the comments. And if you have any questions, hit us up, guys.